Hello, crafty friends. This is Anya General with Ink Paper Scissors. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a new series called 5-Minute Friday Card Ideas, where I create a simple and easy, quick, and beautiful card. Today I'm keeping it very simple, but the card is still stunning. We will need an A2 panel, some black ink, a color of your choice, and some masking tape. I will be ink blending in a gorgeous purple hue, so let's dive in. I've started with an A2 panel, and I'm masking off about 3/4 of an inch on each side of the panel to create a clean, crisp, rectangular design. You can use masking tape or masking paper for this step, whatever works best for you. The goal here is to define the area where we will be adding some beautiful purple ink. Now that our panel is masked, I'm grabbing my purple ink blending brush and my 16 Candles ink pad by Catherine Pooler. I love this color. Starting at the left bottom edge of the masking area, I'm blending in soft circular motions to build up the color. Notice how I'm working in light layers. This helps create a smooth, seamless blend. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Imperfections add character, and most inks smooth out if you let them sit for a few minutes. I'm covering the whole area with a light hand. I'm adding more contrast on the bottom left corner and the top corner, as I want there to be a little bit of variance on my card. Once I'm happy with the blending, it's time for the most satisfying part, peeling away the mask. Look at those clean, sharp lines. This simple technique instantly gives your card a polished professional look. For the next step, I'm taking out my MISTI and pulling off the large flower bouquet from the Gina Delicate Dahlias stamp set and aligning it on my card panel in my MISTI in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm also taking the flowers with the leaves and adding it to the top right corner of my A2 panel. Any floral stamps would work here, so use what you have. I'm inking up my stamps with VersaFine Onyx black ink. The precision of the MISTI makes it so easy to get crisp, clean impressions every time when stamping twice. These floral details add just the right amount of elegance to the design. I'm adding the hello sentiment in between the flowers. I'm also using VersaFine Onyx black ink for a crisp and bold impression here. This small sentiment ties everything together and makes the card perfect for any occasion. Now that the design is complete, I'm gluing the A2 card panel onto my A2 card base. I'm using a strong liquid adhesive to ensure it's securely attached. I like art glitter glue, but there are a lot of great glues out there on the market. To add a touch of sparkle, I'm adhering some clear iridescent gems to the card. These gems catch the light beautifully and add a little extra dimension to the overall design. I love how they complement the ink blending and floral stamping. This step brings the whole card together, giving it a finished and professional look. And there you have it, a quick and elegant card created in just a few minutes. Masking, ink blending, stamping, and a few embellishments come together for a card that's simple yet stunning. I hope this inspired you to try this technique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more card making inspiration. I have linked some other videos that may interest you above. Thank you and have a blessed day.